only eating pizza for a full day in Italy. So Naples is the birthplace of pizza, and this is a famous fried pizza spot. They like make a pizza, then cover it with another pizza, and then fry it, and he kept poking holes in it till it puffed up and got so crispy. And it's filled with porchetta, which is this savory, fatty pork roast, and provola, which is this soft, stretchy curd cheese that's kind of milky, and it goes so well with the rich, deep-fried dough. And y'all, they also had these fried strips of pizza dough that are covered in this thick, luscious, smooth, melted chocolate, and it was so crispy, but also so chewy, like just decadent. Anyway, then we lined up for arguably the most famous pizza in the world. It was in Eat, Pray, Love, and for over 150 years, they've been making this pizza using only the highest quality ingredients. Also, it's only $5. And the stretchiness of the dough is so satisfying. Also, the sauce was really sweet, and it had this great char, and honestly, I just love how different pizza is all over the world, like New York versus Chicago versus Naples. It's so versatile, you know? And then we headed to the final spot, which is like the second most famous pizza in Italy, and they've been around for almost a century. They have way more